Hello, scrappers. Scrapping every day back here. We're in the middle of a winter storm. Sleet and icing right now. Well, I ain't made another video. It's been holding me up. And I was talking to my grandpa about it and telling him we're 90 million people getting affected with this snowstorm here. Look at this ice we got so far. We got about an inch of ice. It's supposed to turn over to snow. Let me turn this camera around here. Oh, ice, sleet, snow. This is going to turn to snow. It's all going to freeze. I mean, it's just coming down. It's coming down good. I also wanted to let you guys know that. That's why I couldn't record. It was just 58 2 days ago. Now it's this. It's Indiana's weather. Look at my stuff, just frozen. Tool bag, frozen. Straps are frozen. Everything got frozen solid. I tried to start my lawnmower and it wouldn't. The turn key thing wouldn't even turn. Put the key in, it wouldn't even turn. It's just frozen. I was going to show you guys this big compressor that I'm going to do. How to cut it apart and get the copper out of them. That big compressor. This thing weighs about 80 pounds. It's heavy. I'm going to cut it up and record it, cut it up and show you guys how to get the copper out of them. There's a few pounds of copper in there. But the snowstorm is holding me up. In Lawrenceburg, Indiana. Here's my car. Look, ain't nobody in traffic. Ain't nobody out here. Thanks again, scrappers.